going on, y'all? James and I are out here in at Granny's place doing a little hunting. We had some downtime, so I'm going to go over what I've done to my 2021 Jeep Gladiator Eco-Diesel. We'll start at the front here. I switched out the factory plastic bumper that it came with, put a rugged ridge Stubby bumper on there with a worn VR12. It's a 12,000 pound winch with a synthetic line. I've done a bolt padlock here. If you don't know it, the Gladiators and Jeeps don't come with any kind of locking system. I'm not a big fan of that. Go around this way. I have mounted on here 37-inch Cooper STT Pros. They're sitting on a 305 method race wheel. Great so far. It is on a 2.5 AEV lift, 2.5 inch AEV lift, dual sport. On the back here, I have a rigged tire carrier. I went with the swing out. And on it, you see the normal swing out. Then it has the side hack on the side, and then the ultra table I put on here. And it has the cutting board underneath.
Oh, so fancy.
This water is for washing hands and everything like that we need. So fold up again. Easiest pin lock. We had it unlocked just so we could easily open it. But that slams in there, and then you pinch it with the outside lock here. So that pin pushes through, and then you close it with this. And you can see it's a secure fit. On it here I have equipped the AT Habitat, Adventure Trailers Habitat. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. So it comes with two poles here. You equip them in the middle here. All it is right here. You'll see what those are used for here in a second. I think we're going to fast forward through this so it doesn't take time.
So the connection is just a ball, a little socket.
Yep. Just pull down and it's secure. We haven't had it come undone or anything while we've been camping in it. Everything we've used, you see, is what we used in Arkansas. We lived out of it for quite a few days. It did us really well. Falls away, pull them apart, attach it right here. Boom. That's your support for this side, and the same thing goes on for the other side.
The rain fly.
So it comes equipped with rain flies. It's made by Nemo Tents. If you didn't know, it's the same company that makes the tents for the Navy SEALs. We had it out there in rainstorms and everything like that, and wind, and they did really well. We didn't have any leaks inside of it. Comes down, tighten this up. And boom, sits just like that, keeps all the rain out. So I've equipped, you'll see here in a minute, 300 watts of solar on the roof right there. I've run it all in series down there, and I've drilled in the back of the box and ran it through there. So that runs into a solar battery bank, which we'll go over in video 2. This will be a 2-part series. First one's the exterior, and the second one is the interior. There's quite a bit in the interior I've done, so I don't want to go and make it too long of a video, you know what I mean?
We will show you the inside of the Habitat though.
Yeah. So that button's down. If you watch the Arkansas video, this is still the same janky ladder that we had out there.
Yeah.
So. I'll take y'all into it. Good. And this is the interior. Here you have a mattress that came stock from the factory. I made a wood panel here that sits across. Let's tag a little carpet onto there, and then the panel that comes factory from the factory, stock from the factory. This, you can remove both of these, and it's just an access to the bottom or the top, whichever one you decide. And it fit James and I comfortably for how many days we spent in Arkansas?
14 or something like that.
14 days.
So that's how we got dressed, was standing up. We would remove that center panel, we'd stand up in there.
Oh, and I also bought a little antenna from Amazon. I didn't like the factory antenna that came with it. It was the hell that long and silver and slapped around. So I don't listen to the radio too much. I usually listen to podcasts and everything, and this thing works perfect for me. So it's out of the way and looks a lot better. So that's about it for the exterior so far. What I plan on doing, max track mount on the side right here. Plan on wrapping this in black or painting it. I haven't decided yet. Plan on putting a roof rack on there with a Pro 6, KC Pro 6 light, old light bulbs. Can't think of the darn name of them. The round lights, not the light bar. I don't like light bars. And that's be it for a little bit. And as everybody says with Jeeps, you know, you never stop. So, but all right, y'all. Catch us on the next one. Should be coming up here soon.
Bye.